What's up everybody, back again with another episode. So I'll be showing you a quick tutorial how I clean out this sole, which will be cleaning out these areas right here using the Dremel. I'm preparing that to be reattached to the uppers, as you can see. So I'm cleaning out this area right here along the edges, and I will be reattaching to the uppers of this shoe. This is a pair of custom denim Air Force Ones, as you can see. So stay tuned, check out the video. Let me know what you think. So right now we're going to be using a tool called the Dremel. So you want to use that to clean up around the edges of the sole, aka the interiors. And so you want to get around the edges, get rid of all the red thread, the old glue, and any debris you have laying around in the shoe so the uppers can attach comfortably.